So this is a gate left open here of the Marlay miniature railway. So this is where I come every weekend at my dad. Well, most weekends essentially. It's a nice wee piece of track here that I used to love very much. Still do kind of love, but I don't go on it. They're going to fit well too big for it at my age, which is rather humorous. So we'll come up to this part where they actually fixed their trains. I don't think they have 4. This is an indeedly old part where they take this up every weekend before the trains run out of here. There's a station house over there. Take a little bit more of a tour. Here is what they do. This is their level crossing, where you cross over. And you can see over there, the track does continue. We're not there, so pretty good. I'm gonna keep walking here now. I'll upload this twice actually. I'll upload this onto Matchtax RL and Dunfire Transport EMS and more. So I'll meet you on the other side for the rest of our walk. Okay, so here's the next part. Can't believe someone actually left this open. There's the electric line. There you go. Keeps extending all the way around in a big massive loop. So thanks for watching this mini railway video. I'll see you next time. Peace.